Hello everyone and welcome to Adam Sharp Weekly. On February 24, 2024, I will be hosting a live workshop on Introduction to RealityKit. This workshop will be hosted over Zoom and it will contain a lot of amazing projects. So total seat limit is 10 people. So if you want to register, you can always go and register before February 24th. Let's go ahead and check out some of the projects that you'll be building. You will start by learning the fundamentals of RealityKit, how scenes work, and how to add basic objects like cubes, planes, and spheres into your application. Next, you're going to learn about how RealityKit can be used to create textures and to wrap textures around your basic shapes. You're also going to learn about how to perform really simple animations like rotation of the earth, as you can see, and some other animations associated with it. Next, you're going to learn about how to enable physics and collision detection when you're using the RealityKit framework. This allows you to create real life events which are triggered by gravitational forces in your applications. Next, you're going to learn about how to load models into your RealityKit application. You will download these models from Apple website or some other Sketchfab website and download and load it asynchronously and synchronously into your code. So this is going to be really interesting because you can use any model that you like and load it into your real world using RealityKit. You're also going to learn about image recognition and how image recognition can be used to place virtual objects in RealityKit. You'll see that how easy it is to create applications by creating these image anchors and then attaching any kind of a virtual object to this image anchor.